Today we're going to do a walk for freedom, a walk of freedom, the walk of freedom, the walk for freedom. I don't know what it is. We're going to be led by two colonial dressed, time proper people. I don't know. I don't have a lot of information for what we're going to do, but what I can tell you is that I'm in history heaven right here. This is my thing. This is what I love, is history, and so I'm so excited to go on this 90-minute walk.
Don't get too close. Also tell him he looks really good and you think he's gonna beat it. Got it? He's not gonna beat it. He's not. That's it. You look great, buddy.
Oh, thank you.
Okay. And you are here for the 12 o'clock Freedom Trail Foundation Walking History Tour. Yay!
Across the street behind me is Park Street Church, built in 1809. So thinking about the after American Revolutionary War had already ended, but did have some prominence in the events of the after American Civil War. This church was for a short time a hotbed for the abolitionist movement. Famed abolitionist William Lloyd Garrison gave many of his great anti-slavery speeches from right here at Park Street Church. Up at the old granary burying ground. Established in 1660, it's the third oldest cemetery in the city of Boston. Called Granary, named after a grain silo that used to be located where Park Street Church is now. Take a quick look around, you see about 2,200 gravestones. Hands off his most well known today for his signature. Specifically his signature on the Declaration of Independence. And if you more shade space over here. Square here is the site of the Boston Massacre. There's a little cobblestone circle that serves the official marker of the site, but that's just a symbol. The event itself took up the whole square. The soldiers standing over there.
See, a pew of one's own. Everybody gets a pew. Yep. You're member 49. What do you think of this? Kind of grateful for what we have.
Yeah, right.